Hi everybody, Dr. Bruno here. Just wanted to give you an update on our office and our policies. We hope everyone's been staying healthy and staying safe. We're going to be opening the office very soon. Just wanted to go through a couple things and a couple new changes that have been made. Before your arrival, we'll call you ahead of time. We'll recommend that you bring a facial covering or a surgical mask. Doesn't have to be a surgical mask, it can just be a routine facial covering or a bandana, anything you've been using to go to grocery stores or other essential places during the quarantine period. Also, the staff's going to go over a questionnaire with you to ask you if you've been sick or if you've had any fevers lately or been exposed to anyone who has COVID. And there's a really neat app for our iPhone users. It's called COVID-19. It's a free app you can download. It runs through a series of questions. It's very simple, very straightforward regarding COVID symptoms. You're going to come in through the usual way you'd normally come in. We recommend not bringing any family members or drivers unless absolutely necessary. So no friends, no families. We're going to continue to practice social distancing here the same way you practice it elsewhere throughout your life since the last couple months. Giselle's just going to take you directly into the exam room. We're not going to go into the reception area. And before we get started, she's going to do a temperature check. We have these touchless temperature checks here. The sensors gives you a readout immediately, and then you'll be taken to your room. If you're a new patient, we're going to be using the iPads for you. We have ways of sterilizing the iPads. All the areas are going to be clean, sanitized, and we have a special ultraviolet filter. It's a UVC filter that we've been using to wand our iPads and all flat surfaces. It's very effective. Once I see you, I'll be in a gloves and mask for our examination, and then the rest of the visit will be as usual. If you need to see Marisol regarding any financial questions or scheduling questions, you'll be walked to her office and see her, and then that'll be the end of the visit. We also are going to be installing some new HEPA filters throughout the office to recirculate the air and also kill any bacteria, mold, viruses that may be in the air. That's about it for now. We hope to look forward to seeing you soon. We look forward to getting back to doing our surgery soon. If you have any questions, just give us a call or contact us through email. Thanks again.